Hi, I'm David Parry-Jones, Business Development Manager for Australia and New Zealand for Continental Tyres. Continental Tyres is one of the world's leading tyre manufacturers. With that in mind, we wanted to partner with Australia's leading wheel manufacturer, that being Ag Tyres Wheels. Kubota and its dealer network are leaders in their field throughout Australia. It was only natural that we aligned ourselves with them and Ag Tyres Wheels.
I'm Jesse from Grower Services in Swan Hill. Been working for the company for about 14 years. In Swan Hill we mainly focus on broadacre, so front end loader tractors, a lot of hay equipment, spreaders, and yeah, we also do a lot with the horticulture industry, so almonds, pistachios, fruit and veg. So the Grower Services business has been in operation since 1946. We currently have 120 employees across 7 branches. So there's 4 branches in Victoria, 2 branches in South Australia and 1 in New South Wales. Continental Tyres has been a perfect fit for Kubota because our tractors come on crates and we need a tyre supplier that supplies us a good quality tyre to put onto our machines and custom make them to suit our market. So some of the advantages for the Continental tyres would be the 10-year case warranty, the ride comfort, the backup support, and yeah, the good quality of product that the customer's purchasing. We've had really good feedback from our customers after fitting the Continental tyres. They've commented on the ride comfort and the good traction and flex to the ground. Yeah, and just a really good product with that lasts the test of time. Here at Grower Services we've seen a big increase in sales across the Kubota range, and we believe that the relationship between Continental Tyres and Ag Tyres Wheels has helped us build on that and is part of our success story. We're really happy with the support we received from David at Continental Tyres and the backup support we continue to get from Mick and the team at Bendigo Ag Tyres Wheels.
I'm Mick Carbone, a Director of Ag Tyres Wheels. We provide tyre and wheel packages to machinery dealers and OEMs all over Australia and some parts of New Zealand. Having Continental based in Australia and standing alongside us, visiting our clientele, has really helped us. In conjunction with Continental, we have done a large lot of R&D with the Kubota machinery throughout Australia, which has given the dealers confidence not only the product works well, but also we are trying to improve. For most Kubota dealers are multiple franchise outlets, so they're doing Kubota John Deere, Kubota Case, Kubota New Holland, which gives us access to those leading brands. Having the Continental product fitted as OE on all these leading brands and performing so well enhances our business. As we get more wheel positions in the market and the Continental product performs extremely well, it's going to open up more doors in the future. Visual marketing, testimonial, price list and wheel data sheets have made a massive difference to our business. Having David alongside us visiting our clients face to face on a regular basis has really enhanced our business. Continental have been fantastic. The product has worked sensationally and the service we get is second to none. It's great to have a Continental representative that is passionate about tyres as what we are about our business.
Continental Tyres Australia has realised that the partnership with Ag Tyres Wheels has not only opened more doors for us with Kubota, but also opened up their dealer network. In turn, we've gone back to Germany and they've come up with some sizes that are needed for the Australian market, such as the 320 85/20. This is a crucial and front tyre size for the Australian market. This is a size we didn't have in our portfolio, and thanks to the relationship that we now have with Kubota, it's come into our range. Continental, with our joint marketing with Ag Tyres Wheels, has been instrumental in us developing the market within Australia through the Kubota dealer network. With Continental's ever-expanding range of VF tyres, our partnership with Ag Tyres Wheels can really only go from strength to strength. And at the end of the day, tyre business is people business, and that's exactly the ethos that we stand behind and strive for at Continental Tyres of Australia. We see our partnership with Ag Tyres Wheels only growing and building on the strong reputation we already have in the marketplace. We look forward to the future with bright, open eyes.